This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert David. Located in beautiful Fox Run, this 2-bedroom 2-bath home features an open floor plan enhanced by skylights and cathedral ceilings. The large kitchen, with its surround of bay windows with views of the pond, has plenty of storage and counter space and a breakfast bar offering an alternative to the formal dining area with its built-in cabinets. The large master bedroom includes a walk-in closet. Its bath area with a single lavatory has a step-in shower. The second bedroom is large enough to accommodate guests or double as your home office. The guest bath, conveniently located near the living area, features a tub. From the living area, you enjoy the sights and tranquil sounds of the pond just outside the 12 by 12 screen patio, a convenient place to enjoy meals and take in the sights. The extended driveway has plenty of room for company or your golf cart. The 9 by 12 storage/workshop to the back of the carport can handle your storage needs. It even has an alternative washer and dryer hookup. The home has an irrigation well, reducing the cost of city water. Fox Run offers a full social calendar centered around the clubhouse and 2 pools for a very affordable monthly fee. With a community boat ramp and marina, you can access the Harris chain of lakes for a day on the water, or you can enjoy a stroll on the boardwalk. Call today to arrange your private showing and join the fun. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert David at 352-552-3968.